Hey everyone, check out the wishacc bamboo book stand, perfect for reading in bed or anywhere you like. This stand offers multi-angle adjustments so you can find the most comfortable position for your books or tablets. Made of high-quality bamboo, it provides strong stability to keep your pages secure without slipping. The clever groove design even holds your phone or tablet, allowing hands-free video watching or ebook reading. Its lightweight and portable build makes it easy to carry and use wherever you go. Whether you're cooking with a recipe book or studying textbooks, this versatile stand has you covered. Enjoy a more comfortable and organized reading experience with this stylish bamboo book holder. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.